Today I will show you how to knit a super easy cord on the Passap. First, make sure the racking handle is in its upper position. You can start anywhere, but I will use the right side of the machine. You need to raise only one needle on the front bed. Then raise the opposite needle on the back bed. You must have a total of 2 working needles. The edge springs are unnecessary, but you have to move at least one of them to be able to center the trigger for the row counter. Set the front lock to CX and the stitch size to 3. Set the back lock the same way, CX and stitch size 3. Insert the black strippers and take the yarn. I will use waste acrylic yarn. Now knit 2 rows. I will use this metal weight hanger from another model knitting machine. If you don't have one, you can use a custom comb or even a paper clip. Place the hanger and attach a small weight. Now you can start knitting. Knit as many rows as you want. I will need 100 rows for this tutorial. Let's make the cast off. Remove the weight from the knitting. Pull the yarn from the lock and cut it. Thread it into the double-eye bodkin tool and pick the stitches. First, take the stitch from the front bed, then carefully take the one from the back bed, and the cord will fall from the machine. This is the cord right after you take it from the machine. There will be a loop at the place where the metal hanger is attached. To fix it, remove the hanger and pull the tail from the cast on. This is the cord we made. You can see it up close. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and see you in my next video.